Na kama tunafanya vile ni juu ya kuona Siakunda. Hivi kama tunafanya hii probleme ya Siakunda, tujue nini inaendelea Siakunda. Ni kusema vitu hivyo vinatufikia sur le terrain. Wale bashefu wetu tunasikia kama Siakunda, hakuna kitu wanatufanyia. Unakutanisha kinyozi anakufa. Hata muangaikia, hata muzika, tunamuzika kinyozi kama mtu haiko responsable. Miaka 13 tangu resistance ya Siakunda iko. Siakunda iko hapa sana. Kama tunalamuka kwa kufanya hii mbinu ya kusema Siakunda ilamuke, ikuwe na balida ba mupya, kusema tubakuwe na organization juu ya kusema kinyozi akikufa, ndio point yetu ya munene sana. Tuko organization ya kusema tuzike mwenzetu na honor. Mwenzetu akikufa hakuna honor, hakuna lolote, inakuwa kama ke sasa atuiki kama ile organization ni ya maana gani na ni ya kazi gani mwa association ya Siakunda.
You have to pay 10 rand, then you take the battery, that 10 rand we have opened an account, we put that money in our account. And if a member came to join the Siakunda, we require him to pay 50 rand. That money also we put in that account. That's the way we get our fund. There's no other business or association or municipality who do support the Siakunda. What support we get from the municipality is just to give our member the square on the street. And you go to apply a permit from them. Give me that permit not free of charge. We used to pay 550 a year.
And which relation between Siakunda Association and the Network Street?
There is no relation between Siakunda and the Network Street. Network Street. What I say there is no relationship. Only when we started.
Sijawahi kupata msaada wote, sema ninajisaidia mwenyewe kibinafsi kuendeleza maisha hapa South Africa. Nikiwa kama mkimbizi Morena kwa South Africa. Naendelea kufanya kazi za saluni kukunda watu kwa pesa ndogo tu. Nina familia na mke na watoto. Nategemea hii ndo kazi yangu. Kulipa kodi ya nyumba, housing, kulipia kila kitu, party, even permit for municipality, I pay.
You get the wrong information. Become hand over since 2013. And we as an association, we beg him to help us. But him is let off to resign 2013. We executive committee, we are the one who was asking him to help us because he is among the people who started this issue of Siakunda. And if we went to Deba MCC to beg anything, he was the one who was leading. And we say no matter he resigned, we still need his advice. But he was not the one who's controlling the economy because our account is 3 people can sign on the check, not him. And again, he's the one who was doing this job to translate. That's why maybe people they can say he's the one who was controlling, but not so. If you get a job from MCC, he to bring the job there. Who can make it? Nobody can make it. Only him was able to make it due to the knowledge God have given him. And nobody.
Vitu vikipotea kama mashine nipotea. Siwezi kwenda kwa report police station. Nianze kuzunguka kutafuta mashine. Najaribu nitoe mali kwenye pocket yangu. Nikanunue mashine nyingine. Niweke saluni. Inverter, niweke saluni tena. Ili ziweze kurudisha tena customer ninyoe. Niweze kurudisha hela niliyonunulia spare. Apati. Hela nyingine niweze kupata kula na kulipia matumizi mengine madogo.
Telling me about that 100,000. But me, I'm not aware about that 100,000. What I know that we're doing a workshop, as I've told you, once you get a job there to translate, at the time we get the money. Without that one, there's nothing else who comes from somewhere. And we're doing a workshop. And if we do the workshop, we used to take some money because we invite all the Siagunda and some members to come and see what we are doing. At the time we draw the money. But besides that one, there's now money was drawing. And what I know, up to now, there is money in that account. If it's less, it's 10,000. From that time to now, there's no money drawing in that account. We did a workshop here by the school. We did a workshop there by the church there. That's what the workshop was, you know. In that club way we draw the money. And that 100,000 we are talking, me I don't know. Maybe you tell me now. But there's nothing.
Je suis le président intérimaire de Siakunda, gouvernement élu pour diriger Siakunda ici à Durban, c'est-à-dire pas seulement à Durban, KwaZulu-Natal. Nous allons essayer un peu de parler avec le président en anglais, que nous voulons que ce message arrive sur les autorités en place pour connaître ce qui se passe. Ce qui se passe dans le comité des réfugiés. En outre, c'est-à-dire, il y a la tracasserie, il y a des détournements, il y a aussi les opprimés dans cette association qui sont opprimés par leurs propres leaders, comme vous le connaissez déjà. Ce n'est pas l'histoire pour la vie des Congolais, mais voilà aujourd'hui, suivez vous-même qu'est-ce qui se passe dans l'association Siakunda. Hi.
Fine.
Oh, hi. We are here just to know what is happening in Siakunda Association.
Yeah, first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Robert Mutambala. Yeah, the Vice President of Siakunda Association. Yeah, according to both the question, Siakunda have a lot of problems. This association was created in 2003. So there is those people have started working since 2003 till today. They are still in power. So the problem happened, and when the members of Siakunda Association start dying one by one, there's no any support, there's no any help. So we have to put the hand in our pockets to help the funeral, and then we have the association. So people start investigate. We are going deeper, deeper and deeper and deeper. We found out the Siakunda Association received some money from the different organizations. They have some money on different organizations, but there's those people, they are staying on top of Siakunda Association. They are the one eating the money of Siakunda Association. So from there, we started following them up. We asked them the question, there's no any answer. So from there, we will mobilize all the members of the association to start a march. When we pursue them, from there they started to tell the truth. Some of them they started to show us the letter of the resignation. Some of them they resign. Some of them we go to them, they say no, we are not able to continue the association. They resign already. So that the problem started from there.
Who the leader of the association?
The leader was Bikombo. Bikombo claimed he was resigned in 2013, but he still holds the other hand, the association. Because how I explain, he still holds the association because the bank is still to his own hand. And all the properties of Siakunda Association is still to his name. When you resign, you have to resign everything. But you resign through the letter, but the other end, all the properties, all the accounts of the Siakunda Association is still to his own hand. It means you are not resigned, you're still working.
Now, I was getting while you are some of your guys that getting Pastor Thomas.
Thomas is the member, the vice president of Siagunda Association. We have to ask him also about the Siagunda because they are the one knows, they are the one starting Siagunda till today, 13 years. They're supposed to know many things about Siagunda Association. That's why we follow him up.
Do you think someone like Pastor would be involved in wrong things?
Pastor to be involved in a lot of things. Pastor is already involved in a lot of things. Himself, he had 2 cases in the magistrate court. So secondly, those people, they are criminal. They are not showing them up the good Samaritan to the suffer refugee, the one they are suffer on the street. They want to open the tent on the street, under the rain, under the wind. They are not, what am I going to say? They are not feel how we feel on the street. It's so hard to work on the street. It's not easy. You have to have a tent each and every morning, open, close, open, close. When the wind comes, you're under the tent. There's a leaking on the roof of your tent. The water comes inside, but you support all those kind of life because of them. And they knew very well there's a money in the association, but they don't want to release the money. See? So those kind of people, you're gonna call them the pastors. They are not pastors, they are criminal.
The time they resign, how much you have been found in a bank account of Siagunda Association?
Yeah, to resign from them is not coming inside the deep of their heart, because we follow them up with all the association of the members of Siagunda. So they see the masses, they get scared and they resign. Some of them, they write a letter, they say, no, this is a letter, I resign, I'm not able to continue with the Siagunda Association. We say, okay, from now, we have to know everything belongs to Siagunda Association. They show us the battery center, where we put our battery to charge. We contribute 15 rand to charge the battery. They show us we have account. We say, okay, if we have account, we have to go to the bank to see how much is inside the account. When we go with him to the bank, we print out for 3 months. When we print out the bank of 3 months, with statement of 3 months, we see there's 110,000 inside. It means these people, they were getting a lot of money. What about to say about 1 year back or 10 years back, how much is going inside the account? It means $1 million. So people will suffer here, and there's money in the association, and they don't want to help the refugees. They don't want to help the barbers, the ones they're working on the streets. They don't want to help them. It means these people, they are heartless.
You have been asking them the money, where that money, 15 rand each member, or each person who haircut person who charge them battery, that money go away.
We have been follow that guy, the one is working on the battery, the one is in charge with the battery center. He said he used to put the money in the same account of the Siagunda Association. Each and every month he used to put 700. Just count. 700 each and every month. They say they start 500 and then they raise up 200 on top. Start counting. For 13 years. Somebody been putting in the account 700. How much could be? How much could that be, that money? And the money is come in our own pocket. We say we have to support the Siagunda Association by the battery center. So that's why we mobilize everyone to go and put the battery to the charger. So that 15 rand, it will go straight to our own account. The money we put to charge the battery, we are not getting anything supporting for the Siagunda Association. When you lost the machine, you have to know where you're going to take the other machine. When you lost the tent, you have to know how you're going to take the money to put the new tent there. So that association for me It's not association to help people. It's association for those one they are on top to eat the money in the association. Because there's nothing help with the Siagunda association.
How Siakunda get that place? How he get the veterinary center?
He get the veterinary center through the municipality. You know, when we are working with municipality, there are some opportunity the government give us for all associations, because the government said he cannot give the money to individual, but he have to give the money to association, because that association is gonna help a lot of people. You understand? Municipality, they went there, is trying to help them the machine to help they go, because they go with the name of Siagunda Association. That's why they help them that way. Municipality give them the machine. Municipality give them the house. They are not paying electricity. Electricity is free. You see, they only pay a year 700 for the card of municipality for that house. That money they used to pay from there. They are operating that place for 15 years. Not to talk about those other associations helping them. Only veterinary center. When you calculate the money, it's almost 200,000 or 300,000 on top there. No one is to benefit for that money. When you go inside their pockets, you see those people, they have the cars, the nice cars. They already bought the house. So when you follow them, you say, okay, your time is over. 13 years is too much. You have to release to give others people to continue, because you have failed to supply. You have to release the place they don't want. They only write the resignation of the letters, but they still continue with the agreement. So that's why we fight them back, right? Because it's our right.
How the constitution, the constitution say to become president and to remove it, how many years?
Them in the constitution, they didn't mention that article to say the term of president is this years or this years, right? They didn't put that one. They only put one of the articles. They say all the belongings to association is not belong to any one of member association. Is belong to the Siagunda only association. And when you go out, you have to leave everything inside. These people, they didn't want. Okay, secondly, to become a member, the constitution says anyone, the traders, they are working on the street, they are already automatically member of association. But then they refuse. They say to be a member, particular member, you have support to contribute before you become a president. Okay, fine. We follow the rules. We go to the bank, we contribute the money, we fill up the forms, but they still don't want to release the papers. They still don't want to release the association to the new team. The one is coming up them. They don't want to release. They still hold. They say we have to open our own account. They say no, this you have to do your own Siagunda association. How come? Because it doesn't have any sense. How can I open my own account and that account is open for Siagunda association? All the properties belong to Siagunda association. I have to look my own properties, and there's the properties we were supporting for years. Doesn't have any sense.
Have been reported anyway to any local authority automatically?
Yeah, we already reported. Because we wrote a letter to UNCR in Pretoria. We wrote a letter to the mayor of Teguini. We wrote a letter to municipalities. We wrote a letter to this association. They say they are helping refugees, MCC. But we had the answer. We received the answer for the MCC. They say that Bikombo is no longer working in Siagunda association. We have to go to follow to see Choma Choma. But we are so surprised to see Bikombo, he go to Maritzburg again to open another Siagunda association. We have proof, because there's a DVD is out right now. We have a proof, because the guy go to open the other association. So can you believe the person who resigned for this Siagunda association, you don't open another Siagunda association in Marisme. How come? How can you explain this?
Do you think in your capacity as a new leader of Siagunda association, you go to put this Siagunda association in the hands of all members who means the people who they are cutting hair in Teben and all over in KwaZulu-Natal?
Yeah, yes, we are able. We are not chase all the old members that was inside. We have even them, those that already reside, because we need their help. We need their advice. Right? We need the advice to asking them some question. How did you operate this year for 13 years? Where was your problem? Where's your challenge? They have to explain to us. You understand? We still need them. We are not against them. But we follow the rules, we follow the constitution. We follow how the constitution says. That's what we are following. Till today, we still follow the same way. You understand? In them, they don't want to release the Siagunda association. They still hold. They say how something we suffer for so many years, we just release something like that.
That letter you have been addressed to who?
We addressed the letter to the mayor of the municipality. We give him to his own hands. We addressed the letter to Pretoria, to UNCR, to say how this thing, they have been held. Where the money is going, we didn't receive any money from them. Right? It's our cry to them. Because this association, it will help anyone. Right? And it still will help. Because the Siagunda take lives of the people for so many years. Here, people have children, people have wives, people have family. The Siagunda association help them. You understand? That's why we need the good leadership. The one you're gonna see anyone. It's not those one they're gonna choose some of the people to help. Because we have to help anyone on the street. The one who is suffering, the one who is working hard to put bread on the table. That the Siagunda is there to help all of them.
What mayor said?
The mayor was answer to the MCC. Because they are the one in charge of the refugees. Because the Siagunda belongs to the refugees. So they have the answer there. That's why the answer as fast as they received the letter from UNCR in Pretoria, as they received the letter in Mayor. That's what the answer. They called us for the second time. We went there to receive the letter because they called the president of the community of Congolese. He gave us some letters to anyone who was there to read. To say no, they are not part of the Siagunda association. Even if they are workers, the one who is in president, he say resign, is not part of the Siagunda association. They know anything they're gonna do with Siagunda association, we have to follow Choma Choma. That's what they say. After the answer from the different places.
Now, exactly right now, how is your
The decision is, we call the Congolese community to resolve the conflict. Then they started complaining. They say how the Congolese community is gonna be involved with Siagunda association. Then the Combo and the Choma Choma, because they call all of them to be there, they started complicated issue. Right? They say the community Congolese, why they are here, what they're gonna help us. You understand the point? We are the one called the Congolese to be a witness to say how you're gonna solve the problem. They start to complicate the issue. Right? We follow them in the family to say they have to release all the papers belong to the Siagunda association. But they refuse. Till now they still go left, right, go left, right, go left, right. They are on our hope is the government. We have to take them to court. Court is gonna solve all the problem. He's not go side, he's not going to take side. He's gonna solve the problem because we have all the documents from them. We have all the evidence. We'll produce to the court. The court is gonna solve out the problem. That is our last decision.
Thank you very much. I don't think if you have another idea out that area.
No, I don't have any other idea. Thank you to give me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Shukrani tutapewa kutoka kuma
Tobomana